his eyesight. மொழியை கடக்கும் பெரும்புகழாம் வஞ்சமக் குறும்பாம் குழியை கடக்கும் நம் கூறத்தாழ்வான் சரண் கூடியவன். He is the one who has முக்குறும்பை அழித்தவர். That is the birth, the high birth, and then the knowledge and wealth. He don't have a single ego of all this wealth or education or high birth. முக்குறும்பை அழித்தவர். He is completely filled with Atma Guna Purna. He is the one who has Atma Guna. And then the one incident, Ramanuja laments on Kuratarvan's separation. Kuratarvan leaves Vaikundam early to receive Embarmana to Sri Vaikundam. But Embarmana, he couldn't control his grief. Even though he is a sannyasi, he gave everything else, but he couldn't control the lament. He laments at the separation of Kuratarvan. It was like Periyarva who laments at the separation of Andal when she gets married to Sri Ranganatha. ஒருமகள் தன்னை உடையேன் உலகம் நிறைந்த புகழால் திருமகள் போல் வளர்த்தேன் செங்கல் மால்தான் கொண்டு போனான். Like Periyarvar who laments at the separation of Andal, here being a sannyasi, he has given up everything. Even though he has given up everything, he couldn't bear the separation of Kuratarvan. And then another incident is Kuratarvan, he said to Tirukoshiur Nambigal that he can't hide anything from Kuratarvan when he was when he got the Upadesam of Charmashlok. Then Tirukoshiur Nambigal, he said, okay, you have revealed the Mahamantram, but this mantram is very, very, you have to keep it as a secret. Whoever has yogyata, whoever has certain people only can hear. Just like that, don't go and give it to anyone. But he said, I can't hide anything from Kuratarvan. I have to give it. And he said, okay, Parikshit, you test him and then you don't give, just like that. So these are the incidents which shows Embarmana's affection towards Kuratarvan. So everywhere Manohar he can't avoid mentioning. In many of the slogans he mentions Kuratarvan. And then another one is Naluran Tanakkum Mukti Nalgina Variye. Naluran is the one who was a treacherer. He was responsible for his losing eyesight. But Kanchi Deva Perumalta கேட்கும்போது என்ன கேட்கிறார், he asked நாலூரானுக்கும் முக்தி கொடு அப்படின்னு. எனக்கு முக்தி கொடு, நாலூரானுக்கும் எனக்கு கண்ணு வேண்டாம், but you give good knowledge and wisdom to நாலூரானுக்கும் கொடு. That is the he is completely filled with Atma Guna Purna. He is the embodiment of that என்ன சொல்றது, Kuratarvan is Kuratarvan. 15th one is Suddhatma Yamana Guruttama Puranada Bhattakya Deshiga Varokta Samasta Naicham Atyasti Ankushitameva Mahiha Loke Tasmat Yatintra Karunaivatu Matkatiste. This slogam is the continuation of the 14th, mentioning that is the previous acharyas like Alavandar and Bhattar who has stated in their works about their doshams. But Manohar Mamnigal again says that all these doshams meant only for him. It all applicable to him, not like Purvacharyas like Alavandar and Bhattar. Astyasti Ankuchita Meva Mahika Lok. Atyasti Ankuchita Me Mahika Loke Tasmat Yatintra. Oh, I seek refuge at your feet, O Yatiraja. Saptadi Bhoga Vishya Ruchiras Matiya Nishta Bhavat Vihabhavat Tayaya Yatindra Tvat Dasa Dasa Ganana Naramava Davyaha Tvat Dasa Taika Rasata Virata Mamastu. Bhagavata Seshatvam is explained in this slogam. O Yatiraja, please help me to get rid of this attachment with this worldly pleasures, that is Saptadi Bhoga Vishyangal, and involve me in Bhagavata Kaingaryam. Tvat Dasa Dasa Ganana Sharamava Davyaha Tvat Dasa Taika Rasata Virata Mamastu. I should serve the servant of the servant of the servant of the last servant of your servant. I should serve them until the end days and reach you. Bless me and direct my mind to concentratedly be at your service. Like Nammalva states in Nedmark Kadimai, Tamargal, Tamargal, Tamargalam, Chadire, Vaika Tamiyerke. Nikamala, Adiyar, Tam Adiyar, 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 Ungokal, Avake, Kudigala, Nalla Godpart, Kudigala, Chulum, Nalla Godpade. Further he said, Nalla Godpart Tulagangal, Mundilun, Tam Nirenda, Allik Kamalakannanai. Why Allik Kamalakannan? Because he is so happy with Adiyar Puram. That's why Allik Kamalakannan. The devotion towards Ramanuja and his devotee should be like a devotion of Shatrughna towards Bharata. He considered the love and the beauty of Rama was the obstruction, sin and enemy to render service to Bharata. Tvad dasataika rasata virata mamastu. Tat விஷயங்களை விட்டுட்டு ததிய விஷயத்துல வந்து ஆசை வேணும். ததிய விஷயம் means ததி ஆராதனை விசேரை அடியார்கள் விஷயத்துல. That is devotees. We have to serve the devotees of Perumal. The next slokam 17th is Shuddhyakra Vedya Nijagibhya Gunaswarupaha Pratyakshatam Upagadast Vigarangarajaha Pachasata Bhavatite Yatirada Zasma Saktasvakiya Janapapa Vimochanekam. In this slokam, Anara Mamnigal says why he is surrendering to Ramanuja and not to Perumal. He clears our doubts. It is in this world is called Irul Daruman Yalam. Even in this world filled with ignorance, Perumal manifested himself to uplift and save all the Jivatmas. As Vedam states, he is standing in the Srirangam as Sri Ranganatha, like Parabrahma, that is Paramapadanatha. He is himself is standing in Srirangam as Sri Ranganatha. Such is the greatness of this Lord. Vashyasata Bhavatite Yatiraja Tasma. Such powerful Raja appears to be an obedient person enslaved by Bhagavat Ramanuja, on whom Lord Raghunatha has conferred the title as Udayavar, Uburikum Udayavar. This Vishnu Logam Arbandava Bharkadai. Whomever Ramanuja regards as his person or Ramanuja's association will be freed from this sin, which are the obstacles to this to attain salvation. That Ramanuja himself is under your control. So you are the powerful and capable of removing our miseries and sins. Saktasvakiya Janapapa Vimochanekam. Please uplift me from this samsara. That is the Saptadi Bhoga Vishyangal. 18th one is Kalatrayevi Karanatraya Nirmitati Pabakriyasya Sharanam Bhagavat Shamaiva Shashatvaiva Kamala Ramaneti Dayat Shemasya Evahi Yatintra Bhavachritana. Here in this slogam, Swami quotes about Ramanuja Sharanagati at Srirangam during the Pangani Uttaram day. O Yatiraja, you did Sharanagati on Pangani Uttaram day before Tayar and Perumal, that is Divya Dampati, and seek their pardon for the sins committed in the past, present and future. And in return, Perumal granted you the boon, saying, your Sambandhi, that is whoever has your Sambandham, will also have liberation, that is Mukti from this samsara. This boon is asked by you on behalf of all of us. You didn't do a single apacharam, but you have asked for others in future to attain the moksha. Kalatrayevi Karnatraya, the sinful action done in the past, present and in future. This is the greatness of Swami Ramanuja. In 19th one, Srimat Yatindra Davadivya Padabcha Sevam Sri Sailanada Karuna Parinama Tatlaptam Taman Vaham Mama Virvartayanade Tasya Kamam Virutta Agilancha Nivartayatva. The ultimate Sharanagati is made in this slogam. O Emperamana, it is all due to my Asmat Acharya, that is Thiruvazhimal Pillai's grace and compassion. I took the service at your feet. I seek this Kaingaryam at your feet every day. Shishailanada Karuna Parinama Dattam. Kamam Virutta Agilamcha Nivartayatvam. Please get rid of all my obstacles, any other pleasures. That is Kamam. Here refers to Bhagavat Kamam, even Bhagavat Kamam. and allow me to do Kaingaryam only at your feet. Andal says, Matrainam Kavangal Matri. She said, you have to have only affection towards Krishna. But here in Manohar Mamnigal says, Mattainam, here he says, Kamam Virutta Agilancha Nivarthyatvam. எனக்கு வேற எதுவும் பகவத் காமன் கூட வேண்டான்ட்டார். பெருமாள் கூட அப்புறம் தான் அவருக்கு. ஏன் அப்படின்னா டவுட் மே அக்கர். This Perumal is offended here. No, Perumal will be very happy if one surrenders and do Kaingaryam to one's Acharya and other Bhagavatas. In Upadesa Ratnamala he said, தன் குருவின் தாழினைகள் தன்னில் அன்பு ஒன்று இல்லாதார் அன்பு தன்பால் செய்தானும் அம்புயர்கோன் இன்பமிகு விண்ணாடு தாழளிக்க வேண்டியிரான் அதலால் நன்னாதவர்கள் திருநாடு. Whoever doesn't show or have affection or bhakti towards us Acharya, even though he shows affection towards Perumal, Perumal will not grant moksha. Again in the same Upadesarathram, நாணமனுட்டானவை நன்றாகவே உடையனான குருவை அடைந்தக்கார் மாநிலத்தில் தேனார் கமல திருமாமகள் கொள்ளன் தானே வைகுந்தன் தரும். நல்ல ஆச்சாரியன் அடைஞ்சவனுக்கு வைகுந்தன் தானே வழி வருமா. So it's all open for him. தானே வைகுந்தம் தரும். So the Perumal is not will not be unhappy or displeased when he is doing a service or when he surrenders to this Acharya. So here Manohar Mamni pleads Ramanuja to get rid of all his ego, sin, lust, everything and narrow his devotion only and Kaingaryam towards Yatiraja. This is Acharya. The last one is Vinyavanam Editamastu Mamakinam Angi Purushpa Yatiraja Dayambu Rashe Agnoyam Atma Gunalesha Vivarjitascha Tasmat Ananya Sharanam Bhavatiti Matva. This is the last slokam. Swami Manohar Mamnigal here submits the two requests. My desire to save at your feet should grow day by day, and my desire in all other worldly pleasure should go away. Vinyapanam, that is submitting a request. Dayambureshe, O ocean of mercy. Angi Kurushva, please accept and grant my prayers. Agnoyam Atma Gunalesha Vivarjitascha, meaning is, I am ignorant, doesn't have any Atma Gunam, and I have any good qualities, no knowledge of Tattvam Hitam Purushartham. No one can uplift me except your Daya and Kripa. I have no other place to go except your lotus feet. I am the only right person on whom you can shower your unconditional grace and Kripa. Please accept my request and protect me. This is the slogan we always recite on all occasions during the Manandra Pushpam in temples. The end one is Ityati Kula Durya Meda Mane Shruti Madurai Rutirai Prakashayantam Varavari Munimeva Chintayanti Madriya Meda Niratyayam Prasadam. This is again by Yerambiyappa. He states, he says, just as those who want to get rid of this thirst look forward for a water to quench their thirst. Same like that, one who wants to get rid of this samsara should immerse ourselves in the ocean of auspicious qualities of Manohar Mamnigal, so as to relieve ourselves with this samsaric distress. Definitely these 20 slogans will please Swami Ramanuja, and by mere reciting this slogam definitely one will attain the grace of Swami Ramanuja and Swami Manohar Mamnigal. With this I finish this Vaaditirnam. சீராரும் எதிராசர் திருவடிகள் வாழி திருவடையில் சாத்திய செந்துவராடை வாழி ஏறாரும் செய்யவடி எப்பொழுதும் வாழி இலங்கிய முன்னோள் வாழி இணைத்தோள்கள் வாழி சோராத துய்ய செய்ய முகச்சோதி வாழி தூமுருவள் வாழி துணைமலர் கண்கள் வாழி ஈராறு திருநாமம் அணிந்த எழில் வாழி இனிதிருப்போடெழில் நாண முத்திரை வாழியே அருசமயச் செடியனே அடியறுத்தான் வாழி அடர்ந்து வரும் புதித்திகளை அறுத்து அறுத்தான் வாழி செருகலியை சிறிது மர தீர்த்து விட்டான் வாழியே தென்னரங்கர் செல்வம் முத்தும் திருத்தி வைத்தான் வாழியே மறையதனின் பொருள் அனைத்தும் வாய்மொழிந்தான் வாழியே மாறன் உரை செய்து தமிழ்மறை வளர்த்தோன் வாழியே அருமிகுனர் பெரும்பூதூர் அவதரித்தான் வாழி அழகாரும் எதிராசர் அடியினைகள் வாழியே அடியார்கள் வாழ அரங்கநகர் வாழ சங்கோபன் தந்தமிழ் நூல் வாழ கடல் சூழ்ந்த மண்ணுலகம் வாழ மணவாள மாமனியே श्रीमते रंबजा मातु मुनीन्द्राय महात्मने श्रीरंगवासते भूयात् नित्यश्री नित्यमंगलम्. Please pardon me if I have made